Okay, we got our eyes set. Now sometimes you might get some, when you're putting this in, it might leak out. So just use a tool and just to chip that out. That'll come right out. So now we're going to get our mouth back on there. But before you do that, I always take some paste wax. And I'll put paste wax on the inside here, on both sides. This helps it to slide better so it doesn't catch. Same thing with this. I'll put some paste wax on this part. And once you get this on there, you can always take a Q-tip and cut it down to put some more if you need there. We've tied our knot back on here, and to keep it from coming loose, I'll put a staple in here. There, that way your knot won't come undone. See that this hardened up in here just fine. So the eyes are all set. Mouth set back in there. Hook a spring back up. We'll just screw the mouth back on. Take a little bit of the paste wax and I'll put it on this. That helps it slide. attach our ring. So now everything's working okay. So we can go ahead and put our back on. This way, if you ever have to get inside, all you have to do is take the wig off, unscrew these two screws that are in the back, then you can open up the back if you have to get in to fix something. If something's not working right, you need to adjust it. This way you can always get into it. There we go. Got our head is done. All we have to do is put our wig on it, and I'm going to put a mustache on this one. We'll get that attached. We'll staple this on here, and we'll staple the wig on, then it'll be done. Thanks for watching.